a couple examples of what I like to do on my social media. There's going to be a clip that's going to show the patients what to expect with the microneedling service, what it looks like, what their skin will look like, what it'll look like afterwards. It just gives them a sneak peek into the room, and people love blood. They love to see some gory stuff. So I like to try to showcase that in the treatment room because it's going to grab their attention. And then of course, before and after photos, that's what the whole point of what we're doing is to correct somebody's skin tone and make them feel really beautiful. And what better way to convince other people to come to you than to show them your really beautiful results, and that is very effective what you're doing. Third is educational. We want to talk about what the treatment is, the benefits of the treatment and the efficacy, how safe it is. Just give people all the knowledge that they need to know just to help them kind of do that reverse psychology with them, teach them so much, show them so much so that they're kind of convinced on their own through all of your content that you're putting in front of them.